Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ayyan Umar. I am from grade 2. I make this project. There is two mountains between one sun, and there is two coconut trees, and there also grass. Some also this is pond. There also frog and some creatures more. We can drink it and use it for ourselves. Thank you.